I love taking cool pictures to post on social media. Photography has always been an interest for me, and my OMD makes it really easy for me to get great shots. This camera has a great look to it. It's small and easily fits in my bag. I always get compliments on the classic look it has when I'm carrying it around. And it's also lightweight too, that I can carry it along with me all day. This camera is really simple to turn on and shoot. If I do need more light, there's this cool built-in flash that's hidden right in the top of the camera. I truly do love this camera because I don't have to think about the settings. I can just quickly take my shot. And auto mode picks those settings for me. It sees my subject, the scene, the light, and it picks the right settings so I capture perfect shots. My selfies are even super easy to grab with the image stabilization built right in. With the touchscreen on the back, it makes it simple for me to frame the shot. When I am looking to capture something a little bit more specific, I use the specialized modes to choose a scene that I want to shoot. I personally love taking pictures of my fun, cool-looking food. I capture sharp images with a perfectly blurred background. Once I'm done, I can simply click that shortcut button on the top of the camera and it takes me right back to the scene menu. Something really awesome about this camera are the built-in filters. Personally, my favorite filter is Bleach Bypass. It gives my shots or video an authentic and old film look that we all love to see on social media. This camera is so easy to use. It grows with me as I'm learning the basics of photography. And as I do become more comfortable, it introduces me to those techniques like HDR shooting and light trails for stars at night. Sharing my pictures on social media is effortless. The shots instantly sync with my Olympus app and transfer directly to my phone. I'm Jacqueline, and Olympus designed the perfect camera for me.
The Sony A9 is the company's newest high-end mirrorless camera aimed at sports and professional photographers. The A9 comes with an all-new 24-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor and an impressive 693-point hybrid autofocus system. The AF points can be easily positioned using the AF joystick on the back of the camera, as well as by directly placing your finger on the tilting touchscreen. This is by far the fastest camera Sony's ever produced, capable of shooting at up to 20 frames per second even in RAW mode. That speed is made possible by way of a completely silent electronic shutter. You can also enter playback to check your images at any time, even after long bursts. The Sony A9 is also capable of shooting incredibly detailed 4K video, which it does using the full width of the sensor. It also shoots slow-motion full HD video using Sony's Slow and Quick feature. To speed up handling, the Sony A9 comes with new dedicated controls for drive and autofocus modes, and a larger capacity battery than previous A7 series cameras ensures you can capture thousands of burst images per charge. Despite its dust and weather-sealed construction, the Sony A9 remains a fairly compact camera. In all, the Sony A9 is an impressively powerful camera, well-suited for everything from sports and action to documentary photography. For more information on the Sony A9, visit dpreview.com.
The D500 is a resurrection of Nikon's semi-pro, top-end APS-C line. As the much-anticipated replacement of the D300S, it does not disappoint. The D500 features a 153-point autofocus system, 99 of which are cross-type. The autofocus points are linked to a 180,000 pixel metering sensor, providing class-leading subject tracking. With continuous shooting speeds of 10 frames per second and a 200-shot RAW buffer, the D500 is aimed at action photographers who don't mind the smaller APS-C sensor format and might even appreciate the extra reach. SnapBridge, a continuously connected Bluetooth wireless system, makes for simple image transfer to a smart device. Other features we love about the D500 include excellent dynamic range and high ISO image quality, a tilting 2.3 million dot touchscreen, and the addition of an autofocus fine-tune auto-adjustment system for calibrating lenses. The D500 can capture 4K ultra-high-definition video, but it has a crop factor of 2.25 times. Another thing to note is that there's no built-in flash. The Nikon D500 is aimed at enthusiast photographers, but its impressive autofocus coverage and tracking, low light performance, speed and accuracy, mean that it should prove equally useful to many professionals.